Hi, my name is Sage Chandler, and my project focuses on the 5 personality theories. Theory 1. The psychoanalytic theory is a theory that sometimes is referred to as the depth psychology. It is a method which pursues the understanding of human behavior through the investigation of unconscious thoughts, feelings, and desires. The therapeutic approach is used to uncover deep-rooted emotional patterns in order to treat personality disorders commonly used in psychotherapy. This theory emphasizes unresolved past conflicts as major influences on behavior. Childhood experiences, desires, and defense mechanisms play a crucial role in the shaping of personality. This, along with ID, ego, and superego. The face behind it all is Sigmund Freud, who was an Austrian psychologist who originated this theory from the late 1800s. His studies of neurotic patients under hypnosis laid the foundation for this theory, and since then it has been continuously changing and expanding the knowledge through different ideas. The psychodynamic theory. The psychodynamic theory emphasizes unconscious and unresolved past conflicts as influences on behavior. In other words, they interplay the conscious and unconscious motives, desires, and feelings. This shapes the personality. In Adler, Horney, and Jung were psychodynamic theorists who developed their theory owing to Freud's psychoanalytic theory. Alfred Adler focused on inferior complex. The inferiority complex is a consistent feeling of being insufficient or lacking something, characterized by chronic self-doubt, low self-esteem, or not being confident. Horney emphasized unconscious anxiety. She believed that unconscious anxiety from unmet needs may have an effect on normal growth and cause a blocking or stunt. Jung's contributions laid the foundation of psychodynamic theory. His studies of motivation and mental processes diverged from Freud's ideas. As he focused on the individual process, he investigated the personalities to achieve self-realization and individual dynamics. The humanistic theory. The humanistic theory emphasized individuals' personal worth or human values, the nature of beings, while focusing its attention on noble human capacity in regard to overcomings of hardships, pain, and desire. This area in psychology seeks to help people achieve their full potential while maximizing themselves, and also focusing on concepts such as unconditional positive regard and the good life. This theory focuses and emphasizes on the notion of self or self-concept, who we are as a real person. The main contributor to this theory is Roger K. Maslow. He was a psychologist who developed the hierarchical theory of motivation. His and Carl Rogers' work helped establish the humanistic school of psychology as a contrast between behaviorism and psychoanalysis. The trait theory seeks to identify, categorizing specific traits and contribute to individuals' personalities. Some examples may include conscientiousness, agreeableness, politeness, which includes polite, kind, and trusting, neuroticism, openness, and extroversion. The main contributors are Paul Costa, Robert McCrae, Hans Eysenck, and Gordon Allport. Paul Costa and Robert McCrae argued for centrality of traits and discussed these issues of cross-situational consistencies. Eysenck focused on genetically based personality differences in 3 dimensions needed to explain personality, main ones being extroversion versus introversion, and neuroticism versus stability. Allport created highly influential 3-tiered hierarchy of personality traits, including cardinal traits, central traits, and secondary traits. Social cognition theory. The social cognition theory is a learning theory that addresses people as active agents who can both cause and be influenced by change in environment, and includes conception, judgment, and motivation. In regards to learning, behavioral factors may include outcomes and expectations. Personal factors include knowledge, goals, and self-efficacy, and environmental factors include focus towards social support and barriers. The main contributors are Albert Bandura, who is a psychology professor at Stanford University, and he came up with this theory as he found that beliefs in social meddling play a role in learning alongside environment, cognition, and behavior interact, thereby helping determine how individuals function. Now, a noteworthy study of his is the Bandura's Bobo doll experiment in 1961, which exhibits signs that children learn through the actions of others and the consequences of those actions, whether that be good or bad, or through reward or punishment. Thank you. My project is discussing the 5 personality theories, and thank you.